Nikola Tesla's 369 theory is often shrouded in mystery and myth. While many consider it a mystical concept, it may actually be a coded message for an over-unity circuit, which could power an anti-gravity craft predicated upon a modified homopolar generator acting as a motor. An electrically driven anti-gravity craft does not need to expend exorbitant magnitudes of power in order to neutralize inertia and gravity. That's what makes it an ideal method of transport. This is why Nikola Tesla called this his ideal flying machine. Credit goes to William Line, Dr. Frederick Alzafon, and the ingenuity of John Searle, as reported to us by Joseph H. Cater, for their contributions to this technology. Because of their foresight and pioneering research, we are in a much better position to benefit from their knowledge. Tesla's version of this technology was inserted into a 4,000-pound 1931 Pierce Arrow passenger vehicle. This permitted a simplicity of design in which a minimal use of force was required to pull the vehicle forward. Only the inertia of the propulsion device needed to be neutralized, since it was anchored to the chassis of the vehicle, using dielectric fittings to prevent a galvanic response between the iron chassis of the vehicle and the copper and aluminum discs of the propulsion device. The neutralization of inertia was accomplished without any moving parts by covering both sides of an aluminum disc, with 6 copper discs on each side. Any pairings of copper discs greater than 6 might have been utilized, such as 8, 10, or 12, or more. But Tesla made use of the bare minimum since he was merely pulling a vehicle forward rather than levitating it into the air. For this 1931 demonstration, none of these discs rotated. Instead, an alternating current of microwave frequency was applied to each copper disc to induce eddy currents. These eddy currents transferred their electromagnetism to the stationary aluminum disc by their proximity. Unlike iron, which will concentrate its electromagnetism within itself, aluminum will expel it due to its paramagnetic property. Each copper disc is connected to its respective RLC circuit at 2 locations, at the center of each copper disc and at its periphery. This scheme of electrical connections will mimic the electromagnetic behavior of homopolar generators, but without the need for their rotation. Tesla's 369 circuit aligns the voltage and current phases of alternating electricity, inducing a resonant rise by a factor of over 300 to 1. Any 3-phase AC system, when configured in a YE formation and lacking any electrical or mechanical load, will also achieve this extreme factor of over-unity. But Tesla's concept allows for powering a device from the environment, rather than from a traditional power source. Environmental potentials of voltage have always surrounded us. They were useful for powering crystal radio sets over 100 years ago. But by leveraging these scant potentials using the nonlinear dynamics of electrical reactance in today's world of advanced technologies from physics and mathematics, it's possible to magnify these environmental potentials to excessive levels of amplitude. Tesla's 369 theory involves a unique design of a 3-phase alternating current power system, where the radian position of the number 3 is used to separate each phase, creating a system that exceeds the traditional cycle duration. In a conventional 3-phase power system, each phase is separated by 120 degrees. However, Tesla's 369 system uses the radian positions of 3, 6, and 9 to separate the phases. This results in phase separations of approximately 171.89 degrees, 343.77 degrees, and 515.66 degrees. These values indicate that each phase is slightly less than half a cycle, creating an overshoot where the total duration of 3 phases exceeds a single cycle. A sine wave generator, traditionally powering an AC system, becomes a motor powered by the load, which acts as the generator. In 1931, Tesla demonstrated this concept with a Pierce Arrow electric car. He brought a mysterious box from his hotel, which he connected to the car's AC motor. This box, likely containing capacitors and coils, acted as a generator and motor controller. The capacitors and coils were tuned to cancel each other's impedances, allowing the motor to run at specific speeds. This setup reversed the conventional roles of load and generator, confusing many engineers. Tesla's demonstration suggested that the 369 system could power vehicles without a traditional battery, using the load as a generator. In contradistinction to this presentation, the 369 myth is often linked to Tesla's fascination with these numbers, suggesting they hold special and mysterious power in the universe. While there's little evidence Tesla emphasized these numbers in any mythological manner, the myth persists in self-help and spiritual contexts. In electrical engineering, the 369 system applies to phase displacement in 3 sine wave inputs, measured in radians rather than degrees of a circle. The RMS averages of these 3 radian positions closely parallel the conventional 120-degree phase displacement. This unique deviation allows for a device which could power itself from the ambient potentials which are latent within the environment, using an impedance matching circuit for each sine wave generator. Simulations of the 369 system reveal its potential for independence from traditional power sources, producing more energy than it consumes. By inserting internal resistances in simulations, the system's parameters become more realistic. The 369 system's unique phase alignment allows for efficient power delivery, with negative RMS wattage outputs indicating power returning to the source. This concept could revolutionize our modes of transportation, potentially eliminating the need for excessive power consumption. This system's ability to generate power from its load suggests applications in electric vehicles and other technologies, challenging conventional energy paradigms. Tesla's 369 theory, while often misunderstood, offers intriguing possibilities for energy generation. By reimagining phase displacement in 3-phase systems, the 369 system challenges traditional energy concepts. Its potential for over-unity and efficient power delivery could transform industries, from electric vehicles to renewable energy. As simulations and experiments continue, the 369 system may unlock new avenues for sustainable energy solutions. Tesla's vision, though complex, invites us to explore the boundaries of science and technology, pushing us to rethink how we harness and utilize energy in the modern world.